2016, changes could be coming to Wisconsin voting laws if a federal judge decides they unfairly target some voters, making it harder for them to get to the polls. NBC 26's Marissa DiCandido joins us live in the newsroom with more information.
Well, Stacey, supporters of changes to Wisconsin voting laws say they protect voters, but this lawsuit wants to prove that Republicans put those laws in place to make it harder for those who would probably vote Democrat to cast their vote. Wisconsin voters aren't all in agreement when it comes to the new voter ID laws.
If you have elderly or if you have people that are disabled, I think it makes it much more difficult for them to be able to vote.
A feeling Democrats
It's voter suppression 101.
and the group One Wisconsin Institute share.
Well, what we're aiming to do is stop what we believe is the real fraud in Wisconsin elections, which are attempts to manipulate the system for partisan political advantage.
That's why the group filed a lawsuit last year with other plaintiffs saying changes to voting laws unfairly target voters like minorities, the young, and the old. Arguments in the case starting today in federal court in Madison.
With a Republican-led administration like we have in Wisconsin, they can pass any law they want, and it takes us 6 to 12 months to catch up with it through the court system.
But the Assistant Attorney General criticizing the arguments in the lawsuit today, saying they're speculative and that the state has issued over 420,000 free IDs since 2011, while only denying 52 people. The Wisconsin Republican Party says high turnout in the April 5th election shows that voter ID legislation works just fine. It makes it easy to vote, but hard to cheat. But the lawsuit still looks to change some details of that. Now, the lawsuit also challenges changes to the early voting period. Lawyers for the plaintiffs think arguments will last about 2 weeks. Then the judge will make his decision. Live in the Green Bay newsroom, keeping you connected, Marissa DiCandido, NBC 26.